Hello, this is a tutorial on version 2.0 of the UIX Emulator for cool people. This is part 2. Alright, so if you already watched this, you know how to boot it up. You set security to trusted, invisible or private, either works. A port that you don't have open because you don't want other people connecting to your computer. Make sure this is set correctly. It should be by default. Then click go. It'll tell you you're going to boot the game in trusted mode. We already been through this. Alright, so this yellow button connects you, or you can do world join or control J if you want, but any of these will get you in. So 2.0 has some nifty new features. One, if you try to boot with a bad setting, let's delete the CS directory, and we try to generate, we're getting errors. This will prevent you from corrupting your save file. So let's do this really quick. So the new feature here is the Steam library. It wants Steam apps. Now we try to generate. It's going to say that Thesaurus wasn't found because we deleted it. And then we go here. And then we go to a Thesaurus directory. Round 1. Alright. So usually one Thesaurus would be checked off because we want to just boot into Thesaurus. But for 2.0, we're going to leave that unmarked so you can see new features. Now, 2.0 has a very big new feature. If you want to get into it, click Xenia Dashboard Settings, then click Open Xenia Dashboard Settings. Alright, so this is any folder on your computer that holds Xbox 360 games. I'm hoping there's something cool coming soon, and if it works out, this folder will be very important. But right now, it's used for the box arts. So go ahead and select an empty folder, or a folder that has your Xbox 360 games. Click Use. And all right, and now we want to check off Use Steam Library. So we basically have everything checked off. We don't have Run Thesaurus after generated yet. But what I do want to, I'll leave that as temp for now. It's for the link file directory. Because what does that do again? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set that to link shortcuts. All right, now when we compile it, it's gonna do lots of stuff. It's gonna take a second to download. Takes a bit to compile. Do, 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 do. All right, so this is the new feature. It's the game Zini. You can have it automatically put in manually, or you don't. And if you don't, the game Zini can still be found in the install directory for the Emulinator. I'm going to do automatically install for this one. So it generated the links, and because we specified Xena dashboard settings that we have an Xbox 360 directory, we can now use the brand new Beyond Launcher. Ba-da-da! So what this is every box art you have, this is going to be what the Seiya sees when you boot it up. You notice quite a few of them are missing. It's because the image import isn't perfect. So what we can do about this is you click an empty one. It's going to say you can play the game, box art from file. I'm going to go ahead and go to Steam Box Arts, which I have. And there it goes. I'm going to do that again for this one. Now, box art from internet is a new feature. However, for this one, you do need to install the SteamGridDB Python files. The README included with the app tells you the command file if you want to do it yourself. You can try using this action to install it if you want, but you need Python and you need the SteamGridDB Python files. If this command doesn't work, you can do it manually. The command is in README, so make sure you install that. And once that's installed, you can click box art from internet. And just like that, we get a box art from the internet on your Theseus app. So let's see what we can do here. We do from internet there. Let's see how it handles Bloodborne. Bam! The internet search isn't perfect. It got Bloodborne PSX rather than Bloodborne, but I think it's pretty cool. All right, so you can customize the settings in Beyond Launcher settings right here. You can change the background image if you want. You can set the background music if you want. I included one for you with the app. You're going to find it, where is it? Right here. So now it's set. We can also change the wallpaper if you want. Change it to Xbox wallpaper. Now when we boot open Beyond Launcher, you see music. The background has changed. Don't worry, the music does stop when you boot an app or you exit it. So that's all the new features in 2.0 RetroArch, the UIX Emulinator Beyond Launcher. I thank you guys for following me as I progress this app. There is some more settings over here I want to explain. Quick boot, that just turns off the settings when you click an app if you just want to boot into a game or whatever. And then there's run on boot, which when you open this app, it'll automatically open up the box art editor. So yeah, that's the game. I'll see you guys in 2.1, hopefully when I have something cool. That will hopefully be in 2 days. If it works, I'm very excited for it. I'm not going to spoil what it is, but it is a big advancement in this technology for this new launching thingy. All right, take care. Bye.